Hi! In front of me is Redmi 12 and today I would like to show you how you can check all specifications of this Redmi. You need to start by opening Play Store and clicking on the search bar. Following that, type in DevCheck and get this free app from Flartu developer. When it's ready, open it. Now thanks to it, you can learn all the informations about your device's dashboard, hardware, system, battery, network, apps, camera, and sensors. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!